Alright, welcome to the last video. We are going to be creating a pie chart with our data and inserting something called spark lines with our information as well. So let's start by selecting the range A5 through A8. A5 through A8, hold the command key down and select E5 through E8. So we have each region and the total. Let's go to the Insert tab and we're going to click on the pie button and let's insert the 3D pie chart. Something we're going to do different here is actually move the chart to its own sheet. So right here is Move Chart. We will always click in New Sheet. So we are going to name this Q1 Canoe Kit Sales Percentage. Click OK. So now you can see here, here's sheet 1 that we were working on, and then this created its own new sheet and named it for us already. So by default, here's the chart layout. We're going to click the quick layout, and remember, as you hold your cursor, it will say layout 1 through layout 7 in this case, and we're going to choose layout 1. So very small, we have the data labels and the region name. So let's go ahead and click on one of the data labels, which selects all 4. Let's go back to the Home tab, and I want to change the size to 20. There we go, that's better. Alright, so remember with any chart you have the Chart Design tab and the Format tab. Let's go ahead and click the chart title placeholder, and let's title this as well Q1 Canoe Kit Sales by Region. Oops. Alright. After that, let's go ahead and quick save. And that's really all we're going to do for the pie chart. There's a lot more, again, with data labels and whatnot that you can break down. We don't need a legend because we can clearly see what all 4 data points are here. So let's go back to sheet 1 and let's click in cell F5. So notice this is labeled trend. So you can kind of get a mini line chart within this cell that's going to be covering just the data in that row. So just the records for the Western region and so forth. This is kind of cool because it can break down, instead of doing chunks at a time, it can break down individually to see how well the West is doing for the first quarter. Alright, so with our insertion point in cell F5, let's go ahead and hit insert. We're not in the chart region area, we're right here with the spark lines, and we're going to choose line. What pops up is what data we want to select, and all we have to do is simply come over here and select it. So we're always going to stay within the row that we are using. So B5 through D5, and just over here make sure that's okay. Click OK. And again, as a visual learner, I can't pick up on this quite as fast, but you can see right here that every month it is steadily increasing. Something else we want to do is, you can't really tell with just a straight line where the breakpoints are, so I want to put a check mark in this markers point. So this is showing all markers, so now I know when it changes from January to February to March. We can also choose many different styles here. Let's just go with let's see, what do I want to go with? Let's go with an orange one with blue. Let's go with, if you hold your cursor right here, perfect. Orange sparkline style 6, darker 25%. Let's go with that one. So this is set, and I want to drag fill a copy of this formula all the way down so I can see each one. And there we go. All right, go ahead and save your information and save back to your folder, and you can begin on your skills review.